The OPPO K3 goes on sale today. I got it a little late, but hey, in this video let's unbox it and see what OPPO has in store for us this time around. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and if you do end up liking what you see, don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So this is the box that the OPPO K3 comes in. Let's remove the plastic and cut through the seal. First up, we have some paperwork. We then have the OPPO K3 itself. Let's remove the protective plastic. We've got yet another gradient back implementation here. Do you like how it looks, or are you guys getting tired of the gradients? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, let's turn the K3 on and set it aside for the moment. We then have a case, which is always welcome, followed by a VOOC 3.0 charger. That's 20 watts by the way. Finally, we have a USB Type-C cable and a SIM ejector pin. Now from a looks perspective, it's got that gradient back going for it, which looks nice. The curve here helps mask the 9.4mm thickness. The weight is manageable at around 190 grams. The K3 does look and feel good. To the front, we get an all-screen display, 6.5 inches. This is a Super AMOLED panel with a Full HD Plus resolution, and it's covered by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. There are no notches, no cutouts here. It's an AMOLED panel, all screen, so the colors are quite nice, punchy, and it's bright enough to not pose issues outdoors. Now under this display, there is an in-display fingerprint scanner, and that was fast and responsive, at least my initial impressions, no complaints. Face unlock is also present and it works quite fast. The rising camera here is how OPPO's managed to get the display all screen. It pops up in about 0.74 seconds, and OPPO claims it's been tested for over 200,000 uses. Other placements include the power button and the dual SIM tray to the right, no micro SD sadly. The USB Type-C port, primary mic, speaker and headphone jack reside at the bottom, and to the left we've got the volume keys. And on top, along with that rising camera, there's a secondary noise cancelling mic. Now under the hood, the K3 sports the Snapdragon 710 chip. This, as we've seen on other phones in the past, is a very good mid-range chip that can get most things done without issues. OPPO also mentioned that they are using a 5-stage cooling system to get the best performance out of the K3 when compared to the competition. Now the Snapdragon 710 is paired with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 64 or 128 gigs of UFS 2.1 storage respectively. All this is backed up by a 3765 mAh battery, and as seen earlier, there is support for VOOC 3.0 flash charge. On the software end of things, we've got ColorOS 6 running on top of Android 9 Pie. The K3 does come with quite a bit of bloat pre-installed, but these can be uninstalled easily. ColorOS 6 has a lot of new features going for it, including having an app drawer, and it all runs smoothly here on the K3. OPPO has also included various performance boosting options like System Boost and Game Boost, and they are supposed to get the most out of this phone. We'll have more to talk about that once I've spent more time with the K3. As for the camera, we've got two to the back. The primary is right out of the Realme 3 Pro. It's a Sony IMX471 with an f1.7 lens that's coupled with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It shoots rich images, it seems to have good detail. The 519 might not be as good as the 586, but it can still get the job done and get some excellent images. At least that's been my experience with these sensors in the past. Camera features like Dazzle Color, which is the renamed Chroma Boost, and the night mode return, and they help get more out of this hardware. For the selfie camera, we've got the 16-megapixel IMX471 with the f2 lens. So how do you think these images fared? Let me know in the comments below. And now with that, let's talk pricing. The K3 starts at $16,990 for the 664, which given the Realme X might not make a lot of sense. But as of now, OPPO is offering 1000 rupees Amazon Pay balance to all buyers, and also 1000 rupees off Axis Bank cards, getting the pricing down to 15,990. At this price, the K3 might be an option to consider. At least that seems to be OPPO's logic here. I'll have more to say, like I said, once I've spent more time with this phone. For now, you guys let me know what do you think about the OPPO K3. And I guess that's it for this quick little unboxing and hands-on. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.